Hello lockpickers, and today in the vise we have this evil era. Look at the bitting on this. This is just absolutely crazy. Highs and lows are mental. Works sweet as a nut, but picking it is a different story. Not holding out much hope to get this picked on camera like this with the cover on. And apologies if I'm bumping the camera. But I think this lock is going to need a pre-lifter, which I don't have, because with the highs and the lows, which I'm stuck with, pick got stuck again. I'll just drop something. With the highs and the lows, every time you're trying to get the high ones set, you've got to then get underneath the low ones to get the high ones at the back, and that isn't an easy task. So I'm struggling to find my way around in this. The front don't seem too bad to get set, and trying to work around the camera. Let me move that back a bit, I might have a bit more room. Right, so right to the front. So we get these first couple pretty much set, and then like so we can't dip down low enough to get underneath, so we have to come at an angle just to nudge the middle ones up a bit to get to the back. Right, let's have another crack. Right, so those ones feel like they're set, but we can't get to the back ones. Let's try a slightly higher or like slightly taller pick. I got this lock off Andymac a long time ago, and it's only today I just thought about making a little perspex cover for it so I can see what's going on, and I can see the reason why I haven't been able to pick it. So I picked it with the perspex cover, and somehow I've got my pick stuck again. So I'll give this another minute or two, and if I'm not in it, we'll say bugger it, we'll whip the cover off and put the perspex one on, and then you can see why. Oh, we're in a false gate there, otherwise we were nearly there, I think. See, straight into that full set again. So you've got nasty little gates in here that'll trap you. Not lying, I would like to try and get an open on this, but I don't want to waste your time watching me faff about not getting anywhere. See, straight to that false gate. Now, where I've got to, where I want to be at the back, is now got me stuck. let's have one more little pass. Right, where it's sort of stuck in there. Sounds like the front one's dropped again. That's where these flat tools come in quite handy, because the V-shaped ones you struggle to come out and come in at angles. So you definitely need to with this. No, I'm stuck in that gate again. Right, let me just pause this a sec. I'll whip this cover off and put the perspex on, and we'll have a little look inside. Back in 2 secs. As if by magic. Look. Right, let's get this in a bit closer and show you what's going on. Ignore the shoddy work. This was an old plastic lid off of like a Ferrero Rocher sort of thing that I've literally just dremeled. So yeah, let's see if I can do it so you can see everything as it should be. So as the key goes in, lifts all the levers up, and bolt goes across as it should. So when we put in our tension tool, and I'll pick, I might have to move it a little bit further back. Right, trying to do it so you guys can see, but my hand shouldn't be in the way. Right, I'm going to knock the camera if I'm that close. Right, so the first levers you can just about see. I can get to them alright, and that one's set, and that one's set. Now I need to get underneath these levers down here. Now my pick doesn't slide back because they are literally sitting right there. I have to go in just at an angle and gently clip that. And where are we? Got a nudge. One, there we go. So it's a simple enough lock to open, but when you're doing it blind you can't quite get that angle right. So I'll do it again. You can just see going past that false gate. If I lift it over the false gate, you can just see the false gate sitting up there. So lever 1 set, lever 2 would be set, and it's just a case of nudging those. See, I don't know why it's so difficult when the case is on. Front ones are done. Gently little nudge. Right, I'll tell you what, I'm going to have to pause this and put the cover back on, and we'll have one more crack at it. Right, we are back. So let's see if we have any luck. So it's going to just nudge first one and the second one. I won't overset that. So it feels like they're done. Slight angle. We overset somewhere. So say a perspex cover, and get this lock open nice and easy. As soon as you make it as if it was in the door, whole new ball game. Yeah, there we go. Look. Wow, we got there in the end. So yeah, if you got one of these locks and you're struggling, make yourself up a nice little perspex cover, and eventually you'll get her open. So yeah, we ended up beating this era. So cheers for watching, and I hope some of the newbies who haven't seen the inside of these gets to have a little bit more of an insight. Anyway, cheers for watching, and see you all again soon. Bye, bye.